Namaste bachon. How are you all? I hope you are all doing good. Today we are going to see a new lesson from our Vasant textbook, and the lesson name is Ticket Album, and the author's name is Sundara Ramaswamy. लेखक सुंदरा रामास्वामी हैं टिकट एल्बम के लेखक परिचय A small introduction about our author. Janma. About his birth, he born on 30th May 1931 in Tamil Nadu, Tejuviya Mahadevar Kovil Gaon. It's a village. He born there. तमिल उनकी मूल भाषा थी. उन्होंने अंग्रेजी से मलयालम में उपन्यासों कविताओं का अनुवाद किया है. Tamil was his native language. He translated poems from English to Malayalam and also some novels also. उन्होंने कलचुवाड़ू नामक एक साहित्यिक पत्रिका को संपादित और प्रकाशित किया है. He edited and published a literary magazine called Kaluchuadu. अनुवाद कार्य, translation work. What are all the books he translated? उन्होंने मलयालम से तमिल में टैक्सी शिवशंकर पिल्लई के केमेमेम आदि का अनुवाद किया है. He did so many novels, translated so many novels from Tamil, Malayalam से Tamil. Okay, from Malayalam to Tamil. பிரமுக் உபன்யாஸ், ஒரு புளிய மரத்தின் கதை. This is a Tamil novel. A story of a tamarind tree. The story of a tamarind tree. He wrote this on 1966. उनका पहला उपन्यास कुजुतिलिका. It was his first उपन्यास, that is novel. After that, Bal, Mahila, Purush, all these things he did. पहली कविता अनखाई नागम, काव्यात्मक उपनाम पसुबिया के तहत लिखी. So first poem he wrote was Unkai Naham. Unkai Nagam. Samman. Samman, the proud things about him. Kumaran Asan Memorial Award. He got a Kumaran Asan Memorial Award. Honors, what all he got. In 2001, he got Lifetime Achievement Award. And in 2004, he got award from EL Puraskar. He got an award, EL Puraskar from Chunmuni Puraskar. Let's start the lesson. अब राजप्पा को कोई नहीं पूछता. आजकल सबके सब नागराजन को घेर रहे थे. There is a character named Rajappa and also another character's name is Nagarajan. Okay, Rajappa and Nagarajan. These two are the main characters. Now, no one asks Rajappa. अब राजप्पा को कोई नहीं पूछता. आजकल सब के सब नागराजन को घेरते रहे. Nowadays, everyone are surrounded Nagarajan only. Nagarajan घमंडी हो गया. Nagarajan has become very proud now. राजप्पा सारे लड़कों में कहता फिरता. So Rajappa was saying that Nagarajan became very proudy now, very arrogant now. पर लड़के भला कहाँ उसकी बातों पर ध्यान देते. But where the boys pay attention to his words? नागराजन के मामा जी ने सिंगापुर से एक एल्बम भिजवाया था. नागराजन के मामा जी, uncle, Nagarajan's uncle, maternal uncle, had sent an album from Singapore. Nagarajan's uncle had sent an album from Singapore for him. वह लड़कों को दिखाया करता था. He used to show to the boys. सुबह पहली घंटी के बजने तक सभी लड़के नागराजन को घेर कर एल्बम देखा करते थे. So till the first bell rings in the morning, all the boys surrounded Nagarajan and watched the album. अब आधी छुट्टी के वक्त भी, that is in the lunch time, during lunch period. आधी छुट्टी means during lunch period. आधी छुट्टी के वक्त भी उसके आसपास लड़कों का जमघट लगा रहता था. During the lunch time, There was a crowd of boys around him always. Okay. कई लोग टोलियों में उसके घर तक हो आए. Many students came to his house in groups to see that album which came from Singapore. नागराजन शांतिपूर्वक सभी को अपना एल्बम दिखाता पर किसी को हाथ नहीं लगाने देता. Nagarajan calmly shows his album to everyone but does not let anyone touch it. He will not allow to touch the album. Okay, he will show the album by himself but he will not allow anyone to touch his album. एल्बम को गोद में रख लेता और एक एक पन्ना पलटता. लड़के बस देखकर खुश होते. He will put the album in his lap and turn every page. The boys would just be happy to see that. Okay? और तो और कक्षा की लड़कियां भी उस एल्बम को देखने के लिए उत्सुक थी. Moreover, the girls of the class were also eager to see that album. Okay, not only the boys, the girls who were in the class also very eager to see that album. पार्वती लड़कियों की अगुआ बनी और एल्बम मांगने आई. Parvati came as a leader. Parvati became the leader of the girls and came to ask for the album. लड़कियों में वही तेज धरार मानी जाती थी. So she was considered very fast-paced girl in the group of girls, among all the girls. Okay. नागराजन ने कवर चढ़ाकर एल्बम उसे दिया. He put a cover to the album and he gave to her. एल्बम देखती रही. शाम तक लड़कियां एल्बम देखती रही फिर उसे वापस कर दिया. So the girls kept watching the album till evening and then returned it. Okay. So even girls also wanted to see only his album. अब राजप्पा के एल्बम को कोई पूछने वाला नहीं था. Now there was no one who inquired about Rajappa's album. Everyone wants to see only Nagarajan's album. So we are coming to know that there is an album with the Nagarajan also. वाकई उसकी शान अब घट गई थी. Actually, his pride had waned now. Okay. राजप्पा के एल्बम की लड़कों में काफी तारीफ रही थी. Rajappa's album was highly prized among the boys. मधुमक्खी की तरह उसने एक एक करके टिकट जमा किए थे. He collected the tickets one by one like a honeybee. Okay, honeybee, how it collects the honey. In that way, he collected the tickets one by one. Who is that? Nagarajan. उसे तो बस एक यही धुन सवार थी. Only he was having this only. Okay, only he will be thinking about collecting the tickets. सुबह 8 बजे वह घर से निकल पड़ता. He would leave the house at the 8 in the morning. टिकट जमा करने वाले सारे लड़कों के चक्कर लगाता. And also what he will do, he used to go around to all the boys who used to collect the tickets. टिकट जमा करने वाले सारे लड़कों के चक्कर लगाता. 2 ऑस्ट्रेलिया के टिकटों के बदले में एक फिनलैंड का टिकट लेता. He will give 2 Australian ticket and he will get a Finland ticket instead of that. 2 पाकिस्तान टिकट के बदले में एक रूस का टिकट. And he will get 1 रूस की टिकट instead of 2 Pakistan. Russia. Rus means Russia. 1 Russian ticket he will get. Okay, he will give 1 Russian ticket and he will give 1 Russian ticket and he will get 2 Pakistan. Okay. बस शाम जैसे ही घर लौटता बस्ता कोने में पटककर अम्मा से छबेना लेकर निखर के जेब में भर लेता और खड़े खड़े काफी पीकर निकल जाता. Just in the evening, as soon as he returned the home, what he will be doing, he will put the bag in a corner and he will get some groundnut from mummy and he will put in his packet and by standing itself he will drink some coffee while by standing itself. And what he will be doing, he will go out. काफी का पीकर निकल जाता. He will be going out. 4 मील दूर अपने दोस्त के घर से कनाडा का टिकट लेने पगड़ियों में होकर भागता. Where he is going? He is going to meet his friend. Okay. So where it's about 4 kilometer. Okay, distance, 4 mile distance to get a Canada ticket. Okay, ticket means it's post card. In that postcard there will be a stamp, right? That is only we are calling here ticket. Okay. स्कूल भर में उसका एल्बम सबसे बड़ा था. In the school, his album was the biggest one. सरपंच के लड़के ने उसके एल्बम को 25 रुपये में खरीदना चाहा. 25 रुपये, 25 rupees. A friend of him, okay, sarpanch, that means the village leader. Village leader's boy wanted to buy his album for 25 rupees. Gamandi kahin ka, Rajappa badbadaya tha. He said that you are very prideful person. Rajappa murmured. Okay. फिर उसने तीखा जवाब दिया. And he gave a very strong reply. तुम्हारे घर में जो प्यारी बच्ची है ना, उसे दे दो ना 30 रुपया में. You are having a very lovely girl child in your house, right? Will you give her for 30 rupees? सारे लड़के ठहाका मारकर हंस पड़े. All the boys were laughed by hearing this. पर अब कोई उसके एल्बम की बात तक नहीं करता. But now no one is talking about his album. Not even talking about his album. और तो और अब सब उसके एल्बम की तुलना नागराजन के एल्बम से करने लगे हैं. And now everyone is comparing his album with Nagarajan's album. They are not even seeing, they are not even talking about his album. But what they are doing? They are comparing his album. Okay. सब कहते हैं राजप्पा का एल्बम फिसडी है. Everyone says that Rajappa's album is okay only. पर राजप्पा ने नागराजन के एल्बम को देखने की इच्छा कभी नहीं प्रकट की. But Rajappa never expressed his desire to see Nagarajan's album. Okay, he never wants to see Nagarajan's album. Might be he wants to see, but he didn't express that. Okay, लेकिन जब दूसरे लड़के उसे देख रहे होते तो वह नीचे आंखों से देख लेता. But when other boys were looking at that album, no, he would look with the low eyes. Okay, he will be looking like this. सचमुच नागराजन का एल्बम बेहद प्यारा था. Yes, that album was really lovely. पर राजप्पा के पास जितने टिकट थे उतने नागराजन के एल्बम में नहीं थे. But the number of tickets that Rajappa had was not in Nagarajan's album. Okay, so number of tickets are more in Rajappa's album, not in Nagarajan's album. Only it looks very pretty. Okay, Nagarajan's album looks very pretty, but Rajappa has lot of tickets in it. Okay, पर खुद उसका एल्बम ही कितना प्यारा था. But his album itself was very cute. No need of thinking about the tickets. The album itself very cute. उसे छू लेना ही कोई बड़ी बात थी. Touching that album was a very big deal. Okay, everyone were thinking this only. इस तरह का एल्बम यहाँ थोड़ी मिलेगा. Such kind of album we cannot find here. Okay, we cannot find here in India. Okay. एल्बम के पहले पृष्ठ पर मोती जैसे अक्षरों में उसके मामा ने लिख भेजा था. On the first page of album. एल्बम के पहले पृष्ठ पर. On the first page of album. मामा ने लिख कर भेजा है, कुछ लिख कर भेजा है. His maternal uncle had written something like a मोती जैसे अक्षरों में. Very clearly he wrote something on the first page. So Nagarajan's mama written something on the first page. What is that? A.M. Nagarajan. He wrote his name on the first page, and also he wrote इस एल्बम को चुराने वाला बेशर्म है. The person stealing this album is shameless. ऊपर लिखे नाम को कभी देखा है? Have you ever seen the name which is written above? यह एल्बम मेरा है. This album is mine. जब तक घास हरी है और कमल लाल, सूरज जब तक पूर्व से उगे और पश्चिम में छिपे, उस अनंत काल तक के लिए ये एल्बम मेरा है, रहेगा. मेरा है और मेरा ही रहेगा. Okay, it was written, as long as the grass are in green and the lotus red, as long as the sun rises from the east and hides in west, this album will be mine. Okay, so this was written on the first page of album. लड़कों ने इसे अपने एल्बम में उतार लिया. Boys, all the boys, everyone also wrote the same thing on their album also. लड़कियों ने जट कापियों और किताबों में टिप लिया. And girls, they wrote it in their notes and books everywhere. तो बच्चों, मैं इस पार्ट की फर्स्ट पार्ट यहाँ खत्म करती हूँ. I'm ending my first part of this lesson here. We will continue the lesson in the next video. So here we are seeing two boys and one is having a new album and everyone are talking about that only, and the Nagarajan's album. Okay, that is Nagarajan's album, and Rajappa was also having an album which was having a lot of tickets, but no one is seeing that now because of the new arrival of an album. Okay, so it was written on that album. It is owned by Nagarajan. Whoever is touching this album, they are shameless. It's like that, something written on that album. Everyone are copying the same dialogues in their notes, in their albums, all these things. Okay, the balance lesson we will be seeing in the part 2 video. धन्यवाद बच्चों.